the Roman mythology to the god of the underworld. I am Pluto. My owner describes me as a large, beautiful animal and entirely black. I used to have a close bond with him. He takes care of me every time, and I also follows him everywhere around. We had a fun time together. It was very a tender relationship. Then suddenly, everything goes wrong. My owner was an alcoholic man. He starts to get angry at everyone. He mistreats his wife and their other animals, my friends. But he never tried to hurt me. And one night, he comes home drunk, and I was so afraid. So I decided to stay away from him from the meantime. He thinks that I'm already avoiding him. He went closer and closer to me and grabs me so tightly that I can't even move. I was so hurt by the force of his grip that I had bitten him until I was released by his cruel hands. But suddenly, my owner took a knife, and in his revenge, he cuts out one of my eyes, leading me into a half-blinded cat. After he sleeps off in his drunken state, he was horrified about his actions. My eye socket were starting to heal, but my owner and I had no longer have a good relationship. Since that day, I would avoid him all the time. But instead of feeling remorseful, he just got more irritated at my behavior. Then he went closer and closer to me for the second time. I was so afraid on what he might do to me again. And when he got closer to me, he abruptly grabs me with his full force grip and hangs me in cold blood from a tree. And that night, their house burned down. He and his wife and their servant all escaped the fire unharmed. But the fire destroys all of his possessions. And when he returns to the ashes later, he sees a figure of a cat on the only surviving wall. He sees me. I am Pluto. The black cat.